Good morning, wow kids. How are you all? Kids, do you know who I am? I am a Billy bird. Yes, I am the Billy bird. Or you can call me Tweeter bird. Yes, you can call me Tweeter bird. So today we will recite a rhyme on Billy bird. Yes, today we will recite a rhyme on me. So okay, let's get recite. Billy bird woke up one morning. The sun was bright and shine. She ruffled up her feather, opened her orange beak, and let out a big tweet tweet, tweet tweet, tweet tweet, tweet tweet. She hopped off her nest on her tiny feet. She twisted her tail, looked up on her head, and smoothed down her feathers. Oh, I look great, she said. She was ready for the brand new day. Oh, there was too much to do. She spread her big wings and flew away high in the sky and flew away. Yes, high in the sky. Okay, wow kids, I hope you enjoy the rhyme.